Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Nomi Credit Builder account, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the login process for your Nomi Credit Builder account, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Nomi website URL and hit enter. When the home page loads, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. You will see fields prompting you for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Nomi Credit Builder account in the first field. Next, type in your password in the password field provided. If you wish to stay signed in on this device, check the box labeled Remember Me. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password. For those new to Nomi, you may need to create an account instead. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case of any login issues, ensure that your email and password are correctly entered. Check for any typos as they can prevent successful login. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try using a different web browser or device. Once logged in, you can explore your Credit Builder account features. This concludes the login process for your Nomi Credit Builder account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.